Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm taking 20 thousandths off the end of this until I get to here. Okay, that's what my instructor wants me to do. So I just cut 20 thousandths off, so I'm gonna back this out right here. Okay, come back out, get ready for my next cut. I'm gonna clear the outside here. So, and then over here, just gonna move this. So you see I'm at 60 now, and then just come to 40. Oh, a little too far. Come on. It's kind of hard with one hand here. Okay, now I'm at 40. So that's another 20 thousandths. When I did that, I brought this forward 20 thousandths. So I'm gonna turn the machine back on again. My headstock, it's a 3 chuck, and then I'm gonna start coming in, start cutting, start slowly coming in. Headstock, and there we go. Now I'm taking off another 20 thousandths. He wants me to just keep doing that. You know, get used to all the procedures, everything, whatnot, you know. So it'd probably take, I'd say, like maybe 10 cuts at this, and when I'm done, I'll get be like 120 thousandths, basically a full cycle on this machine, because this is 125. So by the time I'm done with that, a whole complete cycle, it'll be up to that. So apparently whoever did it before, that's exactly what they did too. They just took it down. You know, they went a whole, but they were doing, you know, from here to here, basically same thing, but it's just a different cut. So I'll get back to you when back to this when I'm done.
Now you know that's exactly at the edge of your hand, and you know that this is going to tell you when you your oil. It's not to say you want to cut it in half. I want you to take 10,000 from where you're at. You don't know if that's going to be 10,000 diameter or if it's going to back to come in. That's one problem. Now you move this in 10,000.